When I start to teach my students about scales, I really encourage to play the scale on one string and horizontally. Of course, we have to learn vertically and all the positions, but there is something very interesting in playing a scale over one string. For example, if we take F minor scale, so I played it vertically. But I'm interested like how it would be horizontal, just on one string. Then when one string is covered, and you improvise, you add another string. Then the third, the fourth, and so on. When you kind of cover the neck, then you can start to place scale diagonally, starting here from the lowest note of the scale, ending on the highest, right? There is no way how you can skip. It's about like just discovering the neck and the tones of the scale. For example, so I think these are really nice exercises to play.